Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about something a lot of people in Zambia ask me about, which is how can you get a Visa card that works everywhere. So whether it's for online shopping or paying for subscriptions or booking travel or just having a reliable card in dollars, I've got a solution for you. And the best part is that it's fast, simple, and it works globally. So this is PST.net, also known as PayStoreTransfer.net. It offers virtual Visa cards in USD. So these are just like real cards. You get a card number, the expiry date, the CVV, and they support 3D secure for safety. So you can use these cards for subscriptions like Netflix, Spotify, or booking flights, okay, hotels or online shopping, even digital ads if you're running a business. So here is how it works. The first thing you have to do is sign up. So simply click in the link in the description, then click on sign up here. So you can sign up using WhatsApp, Telegram, or Apple or your Google account. Choose in and proceed. Okay, so I've just signed up. The next thing you have to do is top up in this card. So to top up, click on add funds. Okay, on top up an account. Then you can deposit or top up using Tether USDT or Bitcoin. Okay, there are a lot of cryptocurrencies you can try. You can as well deposit or top up using your existing card or a MasterCard or Wise or Payer or Perfect Money or Skrill. You can use all of these or even Binance Coin. You can try any of these and top up. Okay, then once you are done, you can simply now get the card. Okay, let's now talk about the cost. So PST has got two plans. So there's a weekly plan for just $7 or a yearly plan for $99, which is almost 50% off. Okay, so as a new user, you get a 0% fee on your first USDT deposit, which is really a nice bonus. So here is why I like PST. So it has got zero fees on transactions, declines, refunds, and withdrawals. There is also 24/7 support. Okay. There's also a mobile app that you can install and manage your cards easily. And as you can see, this dashboard is very clean and it is easy to use and it's straightforward. And also for extra security, there is a Telegram bot where you can actually receive the notifications from. It's actually a good thing. Okay, there's also a 3% cashback. Okay, there's also an affiliate where you can sign up and earn money just by referring people. So you simply click on for partners here. Okay, and also PST can reward you like even like $100 just for leaving a review on Trustpilot, which is not bad. Okay, so this is it about PST, and this is how you get a USD Visa card here in Zambia that works anywhere. So I think this is one of the easiest and reliable ways to do it. So if you found this video helpful, okay, don't forget to use the link and grab your card and give this video a like and share. Bye for now. This is Keith.